Okay, folks, Rob Anderson with Clean Power Wash. Driven past here a bunch of times. You can barely even like see the sign, especially from further away. You're like, what does this even say? Replacement sign erected September 2003. That's probably the last time that it was cleaned, 23 years ago. See this side, super duper dirty. Watch as we make it super duper clean. Again, folks, you might say like, why do you do this, Rob? Why do you go out and clean these signs? And the reason why is because, quite frankly, nobody else will. It looks so much better. And for like this church to be like, hey, we'd like to hire somebody to do this. What do we have to charge to make that worth it? When we can just go ahead and build some goodwill in the community, clean some stuff up, make it look better. Again, hashtag random acts of cleaning kindness.